Hello, good morning. I hope you are doing very well. I'm doing great. Today I'm gonna cook spaghetti. So today I'm gonna show you a quick recipe that you can make in less than 30 minutes. This is my recipe, spaghetti with shrimp. I like sardine. So inside my spaghetti. So I fried spaghetti with shrimp, sardine, green leek, tomato, and onion. So this recipe, when you don't have time and you are hungry, just try this recipe very quickly and tastes good. Okay, let's start it. So you add oil in your pan, put oil everywhere, and you start frying your shrimp. After frying my shrimp, I will put my ingredients. I leave my ingredient to cook about 10 minutes. Then I will come back. After 10 minutes, I will add my sardine oil and the sardine too. I will add my season, a little bit of salt, and then mix everything. Add a little bit of oil. So I have my pepper, the pepper that is already blended. I have it. I will add that. If you have your blend pepper at home, just use it. If you don't have, you can use the pepper from the sardine or a raw pepper. Now it's time to cook my spaghetti. I will show you my secrets about this. Is to add one whole egg. I will just add my eggs like this. I like eggs inside. Just put one egg and mix it inside. It changed the taste. The eggs change the taste. Good. My spaghetti is ready. So let's just go serve it.